It takes more than counting pills and prescriptions to be a pharmacist. It takes a good neighbor. Good Neighbor Pharmacy is a cooperative network of more than 3,600 independently owned and operated pharmacies. It was originally founded in 1982 with the goal of providing health education and treating medical ailments in underserved communities. With the assistance of AmerisourceBergen Drug Corporation, a Fortune 500 company, Good Neighbor has been able to expand across the United States. The Good Neighbor Pharmacy Cooperative works with its individually owned franchises to offer quality products and value pricing of chain stores, while providing personalized customer service.
Very well. This will last you 30 days, and you do have 5 additional refills. Okay.
It really started out for the needs of the small pharmacies, just simply because we don't have enough buying power in order to purchase a large enough quantity of products to compete with the bigger pharmacies that are out there. So what they did was a group of people got together and decided that they were going to go ahead and form a co-op, and by doing that they can get everybody together and say, you know what, I've got 10,000 pharmacies that are going to be part of our co-op, and we want a better price on all this product, or we'll go to somebody else and then we'll get a better price from them.
For individually owned pharmacies, partnering together to form a cooperative allows inexpensive pharmaceuticals to be provided at a faster rate. Products are directly purchased from a manufacturer by AmerisourceBergen, then distributed to independently owned Good Neighbor pharmacies. The same products are promised for the same price. The larger the bulk order, the better the price.
Before the co-op, we were having to do quite a bit more shopping around for the best pricing. Now we can go simply to one source and be able to purchase everything that we need from that one source and be assured that we're going to have the best pricing available to us.
With a reliable supplier and business coaching available through Good Neighbor Pharmacy Provider Network, any qualified pharmacist can take ownership and establish a Good Neighbor Pharmacy at any location without the administrative hassles. Improvement in health begins with identifying the needs of the community and bringing aid closer to the people. Alessandra Valdez is a Rio Grande Valley pharmacist who owns 2 Good Neighbor pharmacies in the area.
I mean, there's so many needs, especially here in the valley. You have a lot of medical conditions that are pretty prevalent. It's primarily a Hispanic population down here. So you have your diabetes, hypertension, cholesterol. So we want to provide those services to our patients and make sure that they're adherent to their medications.
With so many good neighbors around us and through the use of SureScripts and a mobile app, patients can expect their order in no time. Not to mention the Prescription Savings Club, wellness calculators, and social media updates on health tips.
Well, SureScripts is it's a software where we're able to receive electronic prescriptions. So it saves a lot of time for us because we get the prescriptions pretty quickly, and that saves us time as far as having to clarify instructions, and we're able to get the medication out a lot faster to the patient.
By joining the cooperative, Good Neighbor pharmacies are able to compete with larger stores like Walmart, CVS, and Walgreens.
Just simply because without the co-op and the support that you get from them, both in negotiating contracts and as far as with the third-party insurances and negotiating contracts with buying of the medication, the different products, you wouldn't be able to compete in today's market.
Good Neighbor pharmacies sell 52% more over-the-counter items than any other pharmacy. Its reputation for superior customer care has ranked the cooperative the highest customer satisfaction with chain drugstore pharmacies in J.D. Power and Associates National Pharmacy Studies.
Our main goal is to educate patients, to be compliant with their medications, to answer any questions that they may have, and to, treat them like a member of the family. They're not just a number here. We genuinely care about their health. Alrighty.
Becoming a cooperative is about coming together as one and to help the community in any way possible, like a good neighbor.
When you become a pharmacist, you take an oath, the oath of the pharmacist, and that is to always make sure that the patient is taken care of and you provide the utmost care that you possibly can. And their health is the number one thing. The patient is number one here.